Welcome to Modern Group of Institution. In today's Pharmacology First lecture, we learn about local anesthetics. Local anesthetics are the agents which produce reversible block of nerve conduction without any structural damage to the neuron concerned and without any loss of consciousness. The word reversible plays an important role in the local anesthetic. If the word reversible is omitted from here, the definition will be local anesthetic are the agent which produce block of nerve conduction. That is permanent block of nerve conduction. Therefore, the word reversible is main important word in the definition of the local anesthetic. So, local anesthetics are the agent which produce reversible block of nerve conduction without any structural damage. It does not cause any structural damage to the neuron concerned and without any loss of consciousness. It does not produce any loss of consciousness. Generally, local anesthetic are used to block all sensation in the part where it is applied, where it is supplied by the nerve. Now, most of the local anesthetic consist of lipophilic group. If we talk about the chemistry of the local anesthetic, most of the local anesthetic consist of lipophilic group, that is an aromatic ring, as you can see in the diagram, connected by an intermediate chain via an ester or an amide. The aromatic ring is connected with either with a ester or amide chain to an ionizable group, that is tertiary amine. This is the basic chemistry of the local anesthetics. Now, if we classify local anesthetic, it is classified into two: ester type. The examples are cocaine, tetracaine, and procaine; benzocaine; and in amide group, lidocaine, bupivacaine, prilocaine, and dibocaine. Now, if we talk about the mechanism of action of local anesthetic, first of all, we should know about the polarization, depolarization, and repolarization. As we know, sensory information passes through the nerve fiber via electrical impulse or action potential. When the nerve is at rest, the interior cellular part has a negative charge. An action potential is generated by influx of the sodium ion inside the nerve cell, giving a positive charge, that is called depolarization. Now, the nerve fiber is returned to its resting potential by efflux of potassium ion, that is known as repolarization. Action potential is then generated along the axon by successive depolarization and repolarization of the adjacent region. This primary mechanism of action of local anesthetic is blockage of voltage sensitive or voltage gated sodium channel. The voltage sensitive or voltage gated sodium channel are blocked, which cause the decrease in the permeability of the sodium ion inside the cell, and action potential is not generated. Where this local anesthetic bind, at the receptor nearer to the intracellular end of voltage gated sodium channel, and sodium ion inside the cell is not efflux and decrease the permeability of the sodium ion inside the cell, and action potential is not generated and local anesthetic action is shown. The commonly used local anesthetics are lidocaine, that is in 1 to 4%, bupivacaine, that is 0.25 to 0.75%, etidocaine, that is 1 to 1.5%, prilocaine 1 to 2%, mepivacaine 1 to 2%, hexylacaine, that is 1 to 2%, propaparacaine, that is 0.75%, and tetracaine, that is 0.5%. Now, out of this, commonly topical anesthetics are lignocaine, that is 2 to 4%, tetracaine 0.5%, propcaine, that is 0.75%. Common regional anesthetic, that is applied to any particular region, that is lignocaine 1 to 2%, bupivacaine 0.5%, and hexylacaine, that is 1 to 2%. Now, if we talk about the pharmacokinetic of the local anesthetic, first of all, the absorption, the systemic absorption of injected local anesthetic from the site of administration is determined by several factors, that is including the dose, site of injection, drug tissue binding, local blood flow. Generally, local anesthetic is applied to the highly vascular area so that the tracheal mucosa or tissue surrounding the intercostal vein result in more rapid absorption. That is, in simple word, we can say that local anesthetic are generally applied to the highly vascular area, so the absorption of the drug inside the body is rapid. Now, the amide local anesthetic are widely distributed after intravenous bolus administration. They are widely distributed in all part of the body after the initial rapid distribution phase, which consists of uptake of highly perfused organ, that is brain, liver, kidney, and heart. A slower distribution phase also occur, that is into the moderately well perfused tissues such as muscle and gastrointestinal tract. So if we talk about the distribution of the local anesthetic, first of all the local anesthetic having the two distribution phase. The first phase in the highly perfused organ like brain, liver, kidney, and heart, and in the second phase moderately perfused area, that is muscle and gastrointestinal tract. Now, the metabolism and excretion, the local anesthetic are converted into the liver or in plasma, the amide type converted into liver and ester type converted into plasma into water soluble metabolite and excreted into the urine. Ester type local anesthetic is metabolized by pseudocholinesterase, and amide type of local anesthetic is metabolized by hepatic microsomal enzyme and enzyme amidase and excreted directly into the urine. What are the common side effects of the local anesthetic? The first common side effect is on cardiovascular system. It causes depression of the heart, that is the bradycardia, hypotension, and cardiac arrhythmia. In central nervous system, rapid absorption produce restlessness, tremors, sometimes convulsion, sometimes, and it produce anaphylactic reaction, that is we call hypersensitivity reaction. It is common with the ester type of local anesthetic. It causes asthma, dermatitis, skin rashes. What are the various route of application of local anesthetic? The first basic route is surface anesthesia, that is most popular method in ophthalmology. It is used, and lignocaine 4% is used. Infiltration anesthesia, nerve endings are anesthetized by direct exposure to drug. Drug is infiltrated subcutaneously. 2% procaine and 2% lignocaine is used in infiltration anesthesia. Nerve block anesthesia, directly injection into the closed nerve, that is into the brachial plexus. Then in spinal anesthesia, the drug is injected in the subarachnoid space of the lumbar region. Example, procaine and lignocaine is mainly used for spinal anesthesia. And epidural anesthesia, drug is injected in the outside the dura mater, that is the epidural area. Other commonly drug which is used along with the local anesthetic is adrenaline. Why adrenaline is used along with the local anesthetic? The adrenaline prolong the effect of local anesthetic. How? It is an vasodilator. and reduce the toxicity by reducing the absorption from local area. Hydrourinidase enzyme which cause depolarization of hyaluronic acid increase the permeability of the injected fluid. These two are commonly used drug along with the local anesthetic. Now, the local anesthetic tetracaine, it is available with the name of amethocaine. It is topical anesthetic, 0.5% in ophthalmic practice. 30 minutes is onset of action. Side effect is stinging sensation, punctuate, and drug allergy. Propcaine, topical anesthetic, 0.75% it is used. Onset of action is 30 seconds, very fast. Cocaine, first local anesthetic obtained from the leaves of Erecthoxylon coca. It is no more in use nowadays because corneal toxicity and addicting nature, due to its addicting nature. Procaine, first synthetic local anesthetic used as small area infiltration and spinal anesthesia. It is poorly absorbed from the mucous membrane, so no topical use. 2% injection is usually used for procaine. Lignocaine, it is the most common used local anesthetic in ophthalmology, 4%, 2% in infiltration. It is quick onset of action, high degree of penetration. It is used for topical, nerve block, infiltration, epidural, and as well as in dental analgesia. It may cause drowsiness. Bupivacaine, its onset of action is slow. 0.75% solution produce anesthesia and akinesia for 8 to 12 hours. In ophthalmic practice, usually combination of 2% lignocaine, 0.75% of bupivacaine, 7.5% of TRU of hydrourinidase is used for periocular injection, and surgery of any kind may be performed on such type of anesthesia in eyes. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any problem, you can write us on ankurjoshi@moderninstitute.in. Thank you very much once again.